Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that some users of the WhatsApp app on their iPhone SE might encounter. Picture this. You just got a new work phone, downloaded the latest WhatsApp app version, and you're all set to register your phone number. But when you try to click on the next button to submit your number, it seems to be unresponsive. Frustrating, right? The text on the screen overlaps with the button, making it impossible to proceed. You've tried various troubleshooting steps like reinstalling the app and restarting your phone, but nothing seems to work. You suspect it might be a bug in the UI, and you're wondering how to get this sorted out promptly, because you need it to work tonight. Well, fear not. We might just have a solution to your problem. In comes the solution to the rescue. On your iPhone SE, navigate to Settings, then head over to Display and Brightness. Here's the magic trick. Adjust the text size to the smallest setting available. By doing this, you'll notice that the text above the next button shrinks enough to give you the space needed to successfully tap on the button. What problem solved, and you're one step closer to getting your WhatsApp up and running smoothly. In summary, encountering issues with the next button not responding on WhatsApp for iPhone SE can be a frustrating experience. However, by tweaking the text size setting in your phone's display and brightness options, you can easily work around the problem and proceed with registering your phone number. Remember, sometimes it's the little adjustments that make all the difference. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy messaging and tech troubleshooting.